If you are into trading, or you are learning to trade, or if you are a beginner trader who needs guidance or help about trade strategies, risk management, proper trades, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you 5 actual workflows that makes Claude genuinely useful as a trading tool. And even I use this workflow every single day. Each one of these workflows are free and it works on Claude's free tier, and none of them requires coding. If you follow these workflows properly, then I am sure they will make you a more systematic and disciplined trader. So let's get into it. The first and most powerful thing I use Claude for is pre-trade analysis. Before I enter any trade, I paste my setup into Claude and ask it to backtest my thinking. Here's the exact prompt I use. By the way, I have attached a PDF in description of this video which contains all these prompts I'm going to share in this video. So just download that PDF and paste that exact same prompts I am using. So let's get into the prompts now. You are a senior technical analyst reviewing my proposal trade. Here is my setup. The asset I am currently choosing is Bitcoin, and here you can put any asset name you wanna trade in. The time frame should be 1 hour and the entry should be on current price. Just put this exact prompt where our setup will be 20 EMA and 50 EMA. The RSI should be at 54 and the volume should be above average, and the price should be holding above daily support level. You can put your stop loss, take profit and risk and reward ratio here, and then ask Claude a few questions. After pasting this setup exact as it is, just hit enter and look at this response. Claude isn't predicting whether the trade will win, but it's checking my logic. It is finding the weaknesses in my setup before I put the money on table. This single prompt has saved me from last 3 bad trades in last month. So this is the first workflow, which is pre-trade analysis, and you can use it every single time before you click the buy button. Now the second workflow, which comes after pre-trade analysis, is about strategy. Most beginner traders have a strategy idea in their head, but they can't write it down systematically. They trade on vibes and call it a strategy. But Claude fixes this in 60 seconds using this prompt. Help me turn this trading idea into a complete systematic strategy. And the idea is, I want to buy when Bitcoin has pulled back to a key level after a strong upward move and the RSI shows it's oversold. For each part of this idea, help me define exact entry condition, stop loss rule, take profit rule, trade management, and when the setup is invalid. Give me the rules in simple if and then format, and I can follow without thinking during the trade. As soon as I type this, I will hit enter and notice what Claude did. It took a vague idea of pullback to a key level with oversold RSI and turned it into specific tradable rules. That means this is the rule we have to actually follow before taking any trade. We have to take the entry when this particular rule follows. And this is actually awesome. You just got to know when to take the trade with the help of Claude. But we yet don't know how many lots should we buy. Means what will be our position sizing. Cause without thinking about position sizing, if we took entry with heavy lots, then there will be high risk of blowing our accounts. To get rid of that, we will just go to Claude again and ask him how much money of our account do we put on in a single trade. And here's the prompt. I am a beginner trader. Calculate my position size for this trade. My account size will be 50,000. Maximum risk per trade will be 2% of this account, and asset should be Bitcoin. And you can put here your entry price and stop loss point. Then ask him what is the maximum amount I can risk in rupees. Then the second question comes is the exact number of lots you have to buy. Then ask the total position value and my risk and reward. Also ask show me the calculation step by step. After you type this, click enter and see what Claude did. Claude walks us through every calculation. You now know exactly what you are risking before you enter. And this prevents the mistake every beginners make, which is over leveraging, because they didn't understand before entering the trade. You can use this prompt before every single trade. It will really help you to make you profitable in long run. So now our fourth workflow is about losses and revenge trading. Most traders look at losing trade, feel bad and try to recover their capital by taking another trade with heavy lots, and in the end they lose their money. That feeling is wasted, and Claude turns it into a lesson. After any losing trade, just paste this. Review this completed trade and tell me what I did wrong. The asset should be Bitcoin. Here you can put any asset you want to trade in and just put your entry point, the reason by which you took the trade, the stop loss point, what you was thinking and what actually happened. Then ask him these 5 questions. After you type this, just hit enter and see what Claude does. Claude will analyze my setup, will answer my questions, and will explain what I did wrong. The most important thing in this response from Claude was this strategy a failure or execution failure? Strategy failures means the setup itself was wrong, and the execution failure means the setup was fine, but you did something wrong. It must be wrong timing, wrong size, or ignored any warning signal. Most traders blame the market, but Claude will tell you the truth about which one it was and the lesson that makes you better. Now comes the most powerful use of Claude in trading. Our fifth and last workflow, which is about trading journal. If you are really serious about making money with trading, then please maintain a simple trading journal with you. I know it requires patience to build up, but it will worth it. After every single trade, just write date, asset, entry, exit, and result, and one sentence why you took that trade. After every 1 week, paste the whole thing into Claude with this prompt. Here is my trading journal for last 1 week. Analyze it and find my patterns. Now this is the insight a professional trading coach would charge 5000 rupees an hour, but Claude does it in 10 seconds with your actual data. The pattern it will find is almost always same version of you take your best trades in the morning and your worst trades on Friday afternoons. Or you exit winning trades too early but let losing trades run. This is an universal pattern, but Claude finds your specific version in your data. So start keeping your journal today so you will have the data to analyze. So these are the 5 ways I use Claude for trading every single day. Pre-trade analysis, strategy builder, risk calculator, trade review, and journal analyst. Not one of them requires a paid subscriptions, not one of them requires coding, and every single one makes you a more systematic, less emotional trader, which is actually the age in markets. Your action step right now is just to open Claude AI and paste the risk calculator prompt with your actual account size and trade you are considering. Then see how Claude will help you to trade. Comment below which of these 5 workflows are you going to try first. I'll reply to every single comment. So please do like the video and subscribe to our channel if you like the content. See you tomorrow and thanks for watching.